Hello everyone and welcome to oneHOWTO. We are beginning our series of contemporary dance tutorials by showing you some basic tools to get you started on your dance journey. We'll begin with the warm-up. The first thing we need to know is that both dance partners need to be fully active and warming up can be done together. Because of this, we need our upper body to be very strong so that we can lift and interact with the other person. We're going to begin with a warm-up using ballistic movements. This means we're going to use bouncing motions to allow us to activate the whole of our upper body. We are going to continue to use all these movements. We can also extend everything, stretching to work out all of the torso and legs, thus also working out the abdomen. Let's make our hands like this and do a big stretch of the torso. The neck area is very important as this is where a lot of tension accumulates. If we exert a lot of effort, but are not aware of where we put this force, we can end up contracting the neck muscles. This is why it is important to stretch it well and warm up properly before starting. Next, we are going to stretch our legs a little. We're going to invert the body. We will continue by warming up the lower back. It's very important for all dancers to have a strong lumbar area. For this, we extend it a little to strengthen it. Now let's extend the legs a little as well. We're also going to do a few push-ups to strengthen the arms. To finish our basic warm-up of the abdomen, we hold with these movements. And to finish, we're simply going to repeat these small bounces which allow us to engage the whole body for a complete warm-up. Thank you for your attention. We hope you found it useful. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.